I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video is going to be super fun and festive for Halloween. I am participating in the Heat Transfer Warehouse Garment Decoration Challenge, and I'm going to be making a spooky Halloween shirt using heat transfer vinyl. So let's get started. So if you're new to my channel, I typically do embroidery, applique, and sublimation tutorials, but today is the start of a new era. I got a Silhouette Cameo 4 from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Of course, I got the pink one. And I'm super excited to dive into all things vinyl and HTV and all the possibilities with the Silhouette. So let's get started and let's check out some of the festive vinyl that Heat Transfer Warehouse has. So of course I gravitate towards sparkle and all things glitter. So these are some of the cute colors they have for fall. They have the Siser Twinkle Orange. They have the Siser Sparkle Orange. I love that one. Siser Tawny. Oh, this just gives me all the fall vibes. I have so many ideas for this one. And then this one is the Siser White Sparkle or glitter, and this one you can sublimate on. So I can't wait to see some fun projects that we do with this one, because you can sublimate onto dark items with the white glitter vinyl. So I'm super excited to try that. Of course, they have your basic colors like the Easyweed Wicked Purple. That one is the perfect Halloween purple. And then the Easyweed Orange and Easyweed Matte Moss Green. Lots of creepy monster vibes out of that one. You can also go like over the top with some different elements with Easyweed Glow in the Dark. I'm excited to use this one. And Reflective Silver. That'd be perfect for some costumes. And Decofilm Soft Metallic. It's like a mirror. And then look at this holographic pearl. This one is Holographic Firelit Pearl. I cannot wait to use this one. And then we have WALAKut Puff Neon Orange. This one looks super fun. Let's go ahead and start cutting our design using Silhouette Studio, and then let's get to pressing. So if you are feeling intimidated by all things vinyl, I can assure you I just literally used this for the first time yesterday, and I'm gonna do like a layered fun design today. So don't be intimidated, just try it out. Vinyl is super fun, and once you get the hang of it, you will love it. Let's get started on our shirt. Okay, so here is the design I'm gonna be using today. I got it off Etsy and I'll link it below. It's super cute, Momster. I thought it looked cute with some different colors of vinyl. So let's go ahead. I've already imported it into Silhouette Studio. I have the business edition because I wanted to be able to create my own fonts down the road, and I think I'm gonna use, since I'm doing a black shirt, I'm gonna be using, for the black part, I'm gonna do glow in the dark white. And so I did an offset, so behind the colors I'm gonna use, it'll be glow in the dark, so the whole thing will glow in the dark. I thought that would be pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and change this to purple because that's what I'm gonna use here, just for my reference since I'm super new to this. And then I think I'm gonna use the Sunset Orange Sparkle for the stir part of Momster. So I've separated everything. I drew my box around. So now it's just time to get the vinyl on the cutting mat and get to cutting. Okay, so I'm going to open up this puppy right here. I've got my auto blade in, and this is the Easyweed Siser Purple. And again, everything will be linked in the description box below. I think that's probably good. Cool, I got this one at Walmart. Okay, so this way. Now, beginner rookie mistake, everything is mirrored when you are doing heat transfer vinyl. So if you mirror it, if your thing is only this long, you want to make sure it's over here on this side, so opposite. So let's go ahead and put that down on our spot and press. I am doing shiny side down. Okay, now this one's ready. So we're gonna go ahead and feed it in. Looks good. I am gonna hit send. We're gonna do auto cut, heat transfer smooth, and then it'll say, do you want to do it mirrored? And I say send mirrored. Okay. And it's gonna do the square around just to make weeding a little easier. Okay, and then you press the eject button. Ooh. Okay, let's see if I did it correctly. Okay, we're gonna put this over here. Get my silhouette hook. Okay, so I did the purple. It turned out super cute. You just weed it. And so we're just gonna cut all the other colors. So let's do it. So next I'm gonna be using the Siser Sparkle Sunset Orange. So pretty, okay? Look at that. Okay, so I don't need much of it because I'm just doing that much. So we'll do like, okay. Oh, look at that. That's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, cutting that. Ready? Okay, since it's mirrored, it's gonna go on this side. Okay, we line it up. Okay, all right, it's lined up. Let's get cutting. All right, spit it out. Look at that. It's got that nice clean cut lines. Let's weed it. Look at that. Okay, there's that one. Let's go move on to our final color, the glow in the dark white. Okay, so the final vinyl we're using is the glow in the dark, and so I've just arranged it on my 12 by 12 cutting mat, and I've kind of turned it so it'll fit and I could save as much vinyl waste as possible. So I'm just gonna go to send. There's that. We're gonna load it in. Okay, let's press send. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot to do the big box around it, but I'm gonna be okay. Okay, just finished. I'm a little curious how all this hair is gonna look, but let's eject it. All right, let's weed this thing. So there's definitely a benefit to using the square around things. It just makes things a lot easier. So I probably picked one of the most difficult things to weed, just for a beginner, you know, no big deal. So I'm gonna speed it up and we're gonna show you the final product before we press it. Let's do some weeding. Okay, so look at the final thing. Woo! Probably a little much for my real first time weeding anything, but I wouldn't expect anything less from myself to try the most difficult design. I'm just getting all the extras off. All right, so there it is. Look at that masterpiece. I'm a beginner. Again, this is my first like real silhouette project, so I picked probably the hardest thing to weed, but I did it. This is the glow in the dark, and so that's what it's gonna look like. So again, we've got the Sparkle Sunset Orange, the Easyweed Wicked Purple, and the glow in the dark Easyweed Glow. So if you don't know, Heat Transfer Warehouse not only sells all the supplies you need, all the vinyl you need, they also sell blank. So this is one of their blank black t-shirts. This is a district very important tee. So it's a long sleeve tee, perfect for fall. So check them out not only for your vinyl needs, but blanks as well. They've got some awesome blanks. So I went over all the Glow Easyweed Sparkle. From everything I've learned watching videos on how to use vinyl, I have my heat press set about 307, which is the in-between 311 and 305 that the two need. So we are going to pre-press our shirt, get it prepped and ready, lit rolled, and then we're gonna do kind of like a tack down process to layer our vinyl. Are you ready? I'm so excited to try it. Okay, so I have it on the heat press, again set to 307, and I'm just gonna tighten my pressure because I had been using like a pressing pillow or a tea packet. Okay, I like to always find my center. Okay, now that we have our center line, we are going to place our shirt. We're gonna lint roll. All right, let's start. So the first thing we're gonna do is our glow in the dark, and I'm just gonna look over. I see just a few little remnants. So I'm just gonna make sure it's clean. There's no like extra vinyl on the sides. I did my best to get every single little tiny crevice. Okay. And so I'm gonna look for my center. Okay, so I'm about 3 fingers down from the top. I'm centered, so what I'm gonna do is the tack method, where I do 1 to 2 seconds, tack it, peel it, and then we're gonna start layering. And so what I'm probably gonna do is do these separate. So we've got that. I'm gonna use a Teflon sheet, just in case. And we're just gonna do little 1 second increments. 2. Okay, we're gonna take that off, and then this one's gonna be a little fun. All these special little pieces. It's gotta be so gentle since it's not really adhered. Oh my goodness, I'm a glutton for punishment. We got one little spot. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, number 1 press down. So we're gonna look and see, okay, this is mom, and I'm gonna trim these up just so they can fit better. And this is our glow in the dark outline that we made. And it goes about right there. I'm just gonna press down on this. There's that one. I'm just trimming these carrier sheets so I can get things nice and close. I'll probably do this one, then I'll do the next one. And so you just want to make sure that it's the right way. So that one's right. It's gonna be so cool. So again, I did an offset so I could have some glow in the dark in the back. So I'm gonna do a 1 second press on this one, and then we'll do the stir, and then we'll put the colors. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure everything is down. That was kind of flimsy before. Okay. 1 to 2 seconds. Just gonna be gently Peeling it. S-T-E-R. Making sure it's nice and aligned. Okay. Looks pretty good. 1, 2. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's do the color. We've got the glitter. That one will be last. And then we have the purple headband. So we're gonna line that one up. And we're gonna do, oh, this is so exciting. Like so. That one looks good. And then I'm gonna trim this mom one. Okay, so I got this one. About there. Look at that. Beautiful purple. Okay, so then we're gonna do one, two. Okay. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this? This is amazing. All right, last color. I am so excited, guys. There's that one. So for this final one, we're gonna do the full 10 to 15 seconds, okay? All right, let's do this. Look at that. How cute did that turn out? So we have our glow in the dark, we have our wicked purple Easyweed, and then we have our sparkle orange. Look how adorable this is. Okay, the true test is gonna be, how does it look in the dark? So let's try it out. What do you guys think? There it is in the light. Let's try the magic. Guys, look how cool. That was so worth all that weeding. Okay, so what do you think? There is the final project. I'm in love with it, and the best part is when you turn the lights out, it's amazing. So for my first real vinyl project and my first time ever layering vinyl at all, I've never done that before, I'm pretty excited. This was so simple and easy to do. If you haven't tried vinyl, you're missing out. What I loved about Heat Transfer Warehouse is I'm not familiar with heat transfer vinyl. I don't know how they work. So if you look under where you buy these, it'll give you like application instructions, the exact temperatures, the exact settings for your machine. So I just looked at the Silhouette Cameo 4 and I did the exact settings they said, and then it tells you the exact temperature, pressure, and if you can layer them or not. So I will link everything I used today in the description box below, all the wonderful vinyl, the t-shirt, the design, and my Silhouette Cameo 4. I'm having so much fun with this. I can't wait to do lots more projects. So make sure you hit subscribe. We would love to have you here in the community, and give me a thumbs up. That helps me more than you know. Have a spooky Halloween and get you creating some fun and festive items. And until next time, bye for now.